Good morning, everybody. We are very excited. Are you excited, everyone? Not. Everyone, we are very excited. So let's begin for now. Today, my topics are with you walls and your terms for the next time. I will discuss with you. Today, my topics are discussed with you walls for what is positive thinking. So these topics are discussed and we are lot of changes and we are then you are also time you thinks are positive. So I think about their different, their maximum difference and their the maximum people's are things the how to things are their maximum people's we ask the questions are how do things are positivity. So I think about there are a lot of persons we think the minds and we are in the start for now positive thinkings. I think about so you think your minds are positive. What is means by positive? Positive means आप नकारात्मक कैसे सोचे. Sorry negative means nakaratmak sakaratmak. It means that it means that also time you things are the positivities. It means that we also time thinks the minds how will you want to be speak, then in which point do you follow that. So in which point do you follow that these points are follow, then without this point are follow how to speak that. And so this formula that we cannot follow that I cannot speak in English as well. First of all I learned that vocabulary, then I speak in our Wales, then there are no hesitations, and with the directions I speak in English or speak English. And represent my representations are the these types of things your minds, then we are develop on your positive thinkings. It means that you suppose that I talks about a lot of points of views. I'll talk about the lot of points and we can you thinks the minds, and there are a lot of points and we lot of points I learned that. And this teacher is teaches me lot of points, that these points are very focused, then we came to our board examinations. These types of things your minds, and we are thinks the minds are the positive types of thinkings. Then you positive types of things your minds, and after that then after their maximum टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस भी अनलर्न है. सपोज दैट मैंने जितना भी आपसे बात किया पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग के बारे में, सभी जितना भी क्वेश्चन को बात किया, क्या मैंने इस बातों को मैंने अपने वीडियोस में बताया? क्या जो चीज़ों को मैंने अपने वीडियोस में बताया क्यों, क्या वो मुझे मेरा माइंड सेटअप हो गया, वो मुझे याद हो गया है, जो कि मैं उस चीज़ों को इतना पता है कि मैं इस चीज़ों को कैप्चर किया हूँ, इस चीज़ों को डायरेक्ट इंक्लूड कर सकता हूँ. इट मीन्स दैट वी आर थिंक्स द पॉजिटिव. इस समय मैं अपने आप को पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग पॉजिटिव समझ रहा हूँ, क्योंकि आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज, आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पॉइंट्स ऑफ I have a lot of discuss 75 and 65 points I discussing. Then I those points are view and we think the mind I these points are good, and then we are discuss. In the same for students, you should think minds and you think the minds are positivities, and we are you should think the minds are positive. Then after that you come to a thought are positive also. So that thoughts are also. So first of all you make a strong goal, you make in strong goals, then your thinkings are strong. You should not think you should not think the minds, you should not think the minds I will my goals are not good. So how to think the minds? यदि आप अपने आपका गोल ही सेट नहीं किए हो, आप जब अपने गोल को नहीं सेट करोगे आप कभी भी मोटिवेट नहीं हो सकते, या कोई भी टीचर आया मोटिवेट किया, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज अ डजंट मैटर. सो आपको किसी भी पॉइंट को, किसी भी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को आपको लेकर आप जैसे अपना गोल आपका सेट हुआ, तो आपको लगेगा कि इस गोल पे मैं इस गोल को काम नहीं करूँगा तो मैं इस गोल को नहीं अचीव कर पाऊंगा. दैट्स व्हाई यू सेट ऑन द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू सेट ऑन द गोल्स. You should not set on the goals, and we should not on the focus, you should not focus those goals. And how will you want to be gates, how will you want to be things the positivity? आप हमेशा there are lot of students पे things are negativity in why अरे sorry positive. There are a lot of students, then I don't say about all of the students, there are 70% students we are thinks the negative. So you don't think the negative, you think the positive. You think suppose that you think are positive, then we are do those are works to start and they are works are do are wells. So I think about I have those, suppose that suppose that I will make the videos, then I think the minds are positive types are think the minds. So that's why that is called I don't make in well I think the positive, then I will make in videos are well, but I think the minds are negative. So then I don't full efforts give this video. Suppose that in the same for students you study times and we are study times and reading representing times and teaching times, animal times, and making time and making video and there etc. So you thinks the minds I also times are positive, and you should the also times all the works and we are not thinks the minds are negative. So how I think about you thinks the minds are negative, so you have not anyone benefits. I think about you see this in the same way for time is not a stop, time is not a stop, time is continue run that run. It means that you run continue run. So टाइम कभी रुकता नहीं, टाइम कंटिन्यू चलता रहता है। आप किस प्रकार का उस टाइम को यूज कर रहे हैं, यू शुड इन दिस टाइम इन दिस टाइप ऑफ टाइम डू यूज इट, you should I think about you thinks about you that times you things are you use of times or well time आपको टाइम आपका वेट नहीं करेगा, तुम वेट करोगे टाइम का। जैसे आप ट्रेन के लिए ट्रेन आपको वेट नहीं करेगी, आप ट्रेन के लिए वेट करोगे। जो इन द सेम वे फॉर स्टूडेंट्स you should wait it, and you I think about you should positive things, you are positive, we are very positivity think positive thinking, then we are persons there from meet those are person do you meet that, and after that those types of person do you meet, and then we are also do you ask the put up the questions and we are ask the sub questions, and we are also friend of people's also is positivities। यदि आप पॉजिटिव रहेंगे तो आप किसी के पर्सन से मिलेंगे, किसी भी पर्सन से बात करेंगे, वो भी पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा। इट मीन्स दैट यू आर थिंक्स द माइंड्स एंड वी आल्सो टाइम्स यूज टू द थिंग्स माइंड्स। आई विल स्टार्ट फॉर दिस वर्क्स and these works, and we are to the give a full focus and we are full on the focus and the things are positive। यदि आप पॉजिटिविटी को पॉजिटिव सोचेंगे तब आपका थॉट्स भी पॉजिटिव होता जाएगा, एंड आपका जब थॉट्स पॉजिटिव होगा आपके गोल सपने के लिए आपने जो अपना गोल देखा होगा, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर मैक्सिमम डिफरेंट, देयर मैक्सिमम चेंजेस, and you should then those times we I think about those times whose persons we want to be dream, जो भी अपने ड्रीम को चाहता है जिस दिन मिल जाता है वो उस दिन कितना खुश होता है। दैट्स व्हाई we are that times we are persons are very happy। In the same way for students you should think so minds, and so before times we start for the do works and we want to be speak in our wills, and after that we get on your goals, and after that we are very happy, and I know for you know me for me then we are very happy, so we are very excited, and I think about I also is very excited when today I'm making this video। That's all for now, thank you everyone, and we are very excited।